Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an online worksheet in Moodle. So the first thing we have to learn about is what a database is. So a database consists of a series of fields that are embedded in a form. The form is like the front end, or the bit that the student sees, and is filled out, and the data is stored in fields, which is then stored in the database. Now in Moodle we use templates to structure the questions and fields for inputting answers and storing them. So first thing we need to do is create a new database. So I'll just turn editing on, and we want to add a activity, a database, and give it a name. And here we can change when it's available and when it can be read. And the important thing for the worksheet format is to check require approval. That means that the students can submit it, but only you can see it. And if it's set to no, then other students can view each other's work. Right, so we'll change the completion tracking to show activity is complete when conditions are met, and must view. We can change all these to help with grading and marking at a later date. So we'll save, and now we've got a test database, and it immediately asks you to create new fields. So fields, remember, are all the bits that are stored in the database. So first I'm going to create a text or short answer text box and name it short answer. Add. Next I'm going to create text area, which is a big text box. Long answer. And just change the height. And this bit's just for if we want students to be able to embed pictures in the text boxes. But we can have them upload pictures instead. So radio buttons, single select, multiple answer single select buttons. Radio button. And we can add what options for each radio button. Add. And now the picture is the ability for students to upload pictures, and also change how it's displayed. So I normally put in 640 by 480. But we can halve that at a later date if we want to. Next, there's a menu, which is a drop-down menu. So we can have next we can chuck in a checkbox, which is a series of boxes that you can tick. So we can also have them upload files, like if you wanted to use an external program like Multisim to upload a circuit diagram. So file upload, add. Next we can chuck in maybe a date field. And what else? URL is just for students to be able to paste in a web address, and multi-select menu is a drop-down menu with the ability to select multiple answers. But I normally just use menu because it's simpler. Right, so now that we've got our fields, we'll just hit save. Continue. Now we have to create a template or a question box for our answers that are here. So go to templates, then add template. The add template is what the students will see when they add an entry or add their answer sheet. So I normally delete this generated table and just use these tags on the left hand side to put in our answer boxes. So let's start off with so we've made our question and we can format it as well. And next we'll chuck in the field. This is basically a tag that tells Moodle to insert a short answer text box here. So next does a long answer text box work, and I'll chuck in long answer. The formatting doesn't matter on these tags. So next is radio buttons. And chuck in an upload field for student pictures, and it'll automatically embed in the answer sheet when it comes up. Now drop down box. File upload. Alright, so now we've got the basic structure of this template sorted out. We can hit save, and then to view how it looks we click on add entry, and here we go. There's the short answer text. These are the radio buttons. You can only select one of the options, and this is a picture upload, so we can upload a file from our computer. Here we go. And our drop down menu and check boxes, and then we can also upload other files apart from pictures, so Word documents or zip files. And this is the date we put in. So let's hit save and view, and at the moment the view templates only have the basic table of answers. So let's change that first. So we do that by going back to templates and add template, then click on HTML up here and select all, copy, and then we go to single template, HTML, select all, and paste, then update. And now we've pasted all the answers and fields into the single template, and we'll do the same for the list template. Save. So now when we go to view our entries, we have the questions and the answers together, and single means we'll view a single entry one at a time, and list means you view all the entries on one page. And we can also export the page using HTML, basically a web page format, or we can just print it as a PDF. Save as PDF. So next we can also export the database in CSV, which means we can plug it into other database programs, and that's about it at the moment. In the next video I'll show you how to embed pictures, videos and audio. So thank you for watching.